Getting ready.
Is it in? Thank you.
Thank you for that Christmas gift.
Alright.
Okay.
Good?
Now what's the next clue?
Well, there's nothing over here, but why would we put our jacket on?
What is it?
He's nervous. It's nervous guy.
Here.
It's your own
Wow.
What's on the back of the jersey?
Look on the back of it, Milo.
What is it?
What's it say?
Stick.
It's your name. It's your own Flyers jersey. Wow. You gonna get in? Wow.
Okay. Alright. Press the gas pedal.
It's a real truck.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, try
Wait,
it.
maybe the truck needs to get off the windshield. Oh my gosh, Milo. What do you think?
Now,
This goes backwards. Can I open the garage? Not yet, buddy. It's.
It looks like
Stop.
I'm gonna go through the door then if you can't open it.
We'll do it.
Ding.
We're gonna have to do it a little later. No. That's high gear.
You have to learn how to drive.
Milo, stop.
Daddy will have to take you to the park. Yeah.
Hey,
So you can figure out how to
Milo, stop. All right.
There's
We're gonna
other
have to do it a
stuff
little
in here.
later.
candy.
what's it say?
L. L. I. M.
What's that spell?
Let
Here.
Oh, that's right.
You said it backwards. Uh-huh.
I. L. O.
Milo chocolate. Hey, there look like there's like something else in the back. Did you notice it?
I forgot about where
You
we.
need help getting out?
No.
We're not gonna
That's
do
your
it.
seatbelt.
Yeah,
Don't
we'll
worry
do
about
that a little later.
Can you lift it? Daddy, maybe he needs help lifting it up. Oh, there we go.
It just never ends, does it?
No.
Coming behind you.
Sorry.
It's the Christmas that never ends.
What are they?
Wait.
You know what they are?
No.
What's it look like?
What's the picture on the box?
I see.
Maybe you should open them, Daddy.
Can I open it?
What is it?
It's a seat.
Here.
Hey, look at it.
Wow.
What are they?
Wow, it's right.
Where are they?
I'm scared.
nice to go with your New Jersey.
And put him in his trunk.
All day.